We'll guide you through how to fix VS Code Intellisense not working. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your VS Code editor and make sure you have the latest version installed. You can do this by going to Help in the menu bar and then selecting Check for Updates. Once you're updated, open the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the sidebar or by pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. Search for the C/C++ extension, as it's often crucial for Intellisense to function correctly, especially if you're working with C++ files. Make sure this extension is installed and up to date. If it's already installed, try disabling and re-enabling it to refresh the functionality. Next, let's check your settings. Go to File, then Preferences, and click Settings. In the search bar, type Intellisense. Ensure that the various Intellisense options are enabled, such as auto-closing brackets and suggestions. Sometimes, a corrupted settings file can cause issues, so resetting settings to default might help. You can do this by searching for settings.json in the command palette, accessible with Ctrl+Shift+P, and choosing Open Settings JSON. Check for any unusual configurations and reset them if necessary. Another thing you can try is to clear the VS Code cache. Close VS Code and open your File Explorer. Navigate to the user data directory, which is usually found in your user profile under appdata/roaming/code/user. Delete the cache and workspace storage folders. This will force VS Code to rebuild the cache when you reopen it. If you're using TypeScript or JavaScript, you might want to check the tsconfig.json or jsconfig.json files in your project root. Make sure they're correctly configured, as incorrect path mappings or exclude settings can prevent Intellisense from working. Lastly, if none of these steps resolve the issue, consider reinstalling VS Code, as a clean start can sometimes be effective. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.